Okay, if you want a rapid fire of everything related to the TMJ, this video is for you. We are 17 days out from my NPT. When I went to my study spot this morning, I knew it is a day that I need a break. Like, I cannot be here all day. So I decided to give myself a little bit of break today. I'm just gonna have a pool day, going to a birthday later tonight. However, to review and study because of my own anxious mind. So what better way to do it than here besides the pool with you guys? So let's start. I'm gonna start with depression of the mandible. Basically opening the mouth, 35 millimeters to 55. Which muscles are doing it? The lateral pterygoid. Now let's talk about the arthrokinematics. The early phase of depression is going to be posterior roll, anterior glide. Now the late phase of mouth opening is going to be that the disc and the condyle moving together in a forward and inferior direction. Let's talk about mouth closing and anterior roll, posterior glide. So if you want to close somebody's mouth, do a posterior glide. The muscles that are working this is going to be your temporalis, masseter, and the medial pterygoid. There's usually no norms given for mouth closing. You just got to be able to close your mouth. Now, protrusion of the jaw. The normal range of motion to do that is 7 millimeters. What muscles are doing that? Both the medial and lateral pterygoid together. Then we're going to go retrusion, 3 to 4 millimeters. What muscle is doing that? That's a good question. Let me think. I want to say the temporalis. Let me check. Y'all, I was right. It is the posterior fibers of your temporalis. Here's a tricky one. Lateral deviation of the jaw. Think a left lateral deviation, okay? So if you're doing a left lateral deviation, your right lateral and medial pterygoid are going to be working. So your left side is going to make a stationary pivot point, and the right side is going to rotate towards it. The normal range of motion for that is 10 to 15 millimeters.